Hi friends, choosing a suitable theme for your blog or website is always a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. And if you have decided to make a wonderful blog website focusing on sports, this video is for you. I have the League theme in this video. The League theme has specifically made for sports news and magazine, and the League is definitely a wonderful theme as it is focusing on the niche category of sports. So theme was developed in 2017 only, and regular updates also being done for this theme. The theme developers are MVP Themes and they are Power Elite authors. So Power Elite authors always make wonderful themes. I am not saying rest all are not working good. So we can rely on more upon on Power Elite authors. They are experienced enough. So this adds added confidence in us. So there are many features available in the League theme, and we will see the demo. This is the demo of the League theme, and it got a very wonderful look focusing a sports category. So this is basically a sports news and a sport blog theme. So this is the target layout is also made accordingly. We can check any inner page as well. So it is stunning fast, and this is the inner page look, and we have a scores page as well. It is also good that it is a sports blog. This is why it got scores page, and these are the score sections available as a trending or slider in slider format. Social widgets are here. The card menu is here. It is good. You can select it for your sports blog undoubtedly. In this video we will install the League theme in a fresh installation of WordPress. I have this is fresh installation in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. This is the theme pack. In the theme pack I got child theme, documentation, licensing, plugins. These are some plugins available in the theme, and I must tell you this theme supports AMP. So AMP is another added feature for this theme, and XML data is here and the theme itself. So now we can start the installation. Go to the theme section of WordPress, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose the league.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can directly upload it to the hosting panel. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and the theme size is very light. It is 4.05 MB in size. So it is another good feature that theme got lightweight, and it will definitely work fast. And upon upload we need to extract the league.zip, and this is the extracted folder in which we got all the theme components, folder and files. So we can delete zip one. Now go to the theme section again, and now we got the League theme option as another option of theme. So we'll check the detail. This is League version 4.2.1, and the League is a premier sports news theme for WordPress. It is yes. So activate it, and upon activation we got an alert that we need to install the necessary plugins. We will do it at this stage. These are the plugins, and only one plugin is required, rest are only recommended, and we can install all it in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. And all are activated now. So now we can take a look of our website, how it looks now with the theme. And this is the basic look of theme without any demo content. And now definitely we will go for importing the demo. So this theme has one-click demo import option, and it is also having some old version, no problem. So we need to use it once only, so we will use it. So under appearance, click on import demo data. Click on import demo data, and it is importing. It may take some time because it also downloads the media files, and all done in just few seconds. Now we can check the website, and yes, it has been done. So original images has not been provided by the developer. These are all the placeholder images, and definitely we don't need the demo images because it is a blog theme and we are definitely going to use our own images only. This is the inner page, and all pages are working fine. Mega menu is working fine. Latest news. Okay, so all got fine. So yes, we can conclude that we have completed the installation along with the demo, and you can see it is very fast in loading. It is going to give you advantage of a speed. So speed, if any blog or website is having wonderful speed, it gets edge on the competitor websites. So fine. So we have checked everything. Now we can take a look of the theme panel, what options we got in the theme. These are the options available in the League options. Under appearance sections, this is the general setting. Colors you can check or change as per your choice. Fonts, homepage settings, article setting, Google AMP settings, category pages, scoreboard settings. So this is the setting where we can set the scoreboard, and it needs this plugin, these sections to be handled. So as we seen in the demo, a score option is there. We need to handle that from here under a score section of the panel, social media, ad management, and footer info. So we can check now scores. Since there is no item, it was not displayed in our installation, and definitely it will work if we add any score. So these are the options available in the score. So you can put the scores here and it will be reflected automatically. You will not need to go for any setting for this. You just put the data and it will work fine. And under customization, we can see there are basic things available, and home page already set here. So in this video we have installed the League WordPress theme along with the demo content, and I believe you got this video useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring some wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Just keep watching. Thank you very much.